What's going on? I'm about to take the Skyliner to Epcot. It's a very, very windy day, so we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna do this all on the GoPro, so we'll see what's up. All right, let's go. Not very crowded. Not very crowded at all. We'll see. As you can see, I'm already up from the wall. So
we're gonna follow right behind that. Watch your step.
Sounds good.
So on to what?
Can I hold on to you too? Yeah, all right. Never been on this.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner at Disney's Hollywood Studios. We are on our way to Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort with connecting flights to Epcot International Gateway, Disney's top center.
It's so empty. I think I'm riding this thing by myself. So we'll see. They even gave me a clear one so I can film this. Let's go. Your boy is all by himself in the Skyliner. Kind of crazy being in here by yourself. You can see them things waving in the wind, man.
Welcome aboard, Islanders. You are on the Disney Skyliner at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. We're flying to Disney's Riviera Resort with continuing flights to Epcot.
Yeah,
hold on to your straw hats. We are about to enter the heart of the Caribbean.
Wobbling. This is crazy. I've never had this thing swing on me like this.
We are now sailing over Disney Caribbean Beach.
You might not be able to see it, but it is literally like back and forth, back and forth. She makes me a little nervous. Get a good view of all the hotels up here.
In just a minute, We will be arriving at Disney's Riviera Resort, a Disney Vacation Club resort that celebrates the relaxing seaports and romantic vistas of Europe's Mediterranean coast.
You can see Epcot over there, Swan and everything over there. They'll probably put someone in my car at this turn here. But we'll see.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Disney's Riviera Resort.
It's
If
windy.
this is your final destination, please prepare to disembark. If you are traveling to Epcot today, please remain seated.
This thing comes in quick.
Please remain seated until the doors automatically open. When exiting the cabin, please supervise children, collect your belongings, and watch your step. Thank you for flying.
Whoa.
Por favor, permanezcan sentados hasta que las puertas se abran automáticamente. Al salir de la cabina, por favor, cuide sus pequeñitos.
All right, so I'm staying on. I'll turn it on in a minute.
Salga con cuidado. Gracias por volar con nosotros.
For your safety, please remain
Which is this? Riviera Beach? Where's this exit?
This is Riviera.
Riviera, all right, thank
The next
you.
one will be Epcot.
Epcot, perfect.
permanezcan sentados.
Looks like I might not get anybody. So I'm solo again.
For your safety, please remain
This is actually a nice ride if you really don't have anything. There's the emergency kit under there. There's no air conditioning, it's just vents. So, you know. Hello. So they opened it up, but it's a pretty light day here. Pretty light day. Let's see if they're gonna add anyone in my car.
For your safety, please remain seated.
Nope.
Supervise children and refrain from smoking in the cabins. Thank you. Para su seguridad, por favor, permanezcan sentados. Supervise a sus niños y absténganse.
All right, let's take off. This is gonna be a little different because we're gonna do the turnaround. So let's go. I can't believe I'm sitting here by myself.
Welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner at Disney's Riviera Resort. If you're just joining us, we are on our way to Epcot.
Going to Epcot. I have no idea how this looks because I'm
Ladies
used to
and
looking at
gentlemen,
my
we
phone
invite
camera.
you to sit back,
So-
relax, and enjoy the most magical flight on Earth.
This is a little bit of a longer ride than the other one, but oh my gosh, it's swinging. I'm like sitting in the middle here because I don't know what you can see behind me. It's like swinging. Let's see. I hope these things are safe.
We are now traveling along Buena Vista Drive. This roadway and the city of Lake Buena Vista were established in 1969.
Got Epcot over
when
there.
Walt
You can
Disney
see
World
Epcot.
Resort was first being developed. They are both named after Buena Vista Street in Burbank, California, where the Walt Disney Company headquarters are still located today.
You can hear the wind. I don't know if you can hear the wind, but it's serious.
Pack your passports. We are on our way to Epcot International Gateway. When we arrive, remember to use your My Disney Experience mobile app or visit a FastPass Plus kiosk to review your world.
So So here we are at the turnaround. This is where it turns around. It takes you to Epcot. Kind of unique. And then it just kind of takes off. It is empty, man. This parking lot, look at that. Usually I come here and park. This is the boardwalk parking, and it's pretty packed. It is just pretty empty today.
Coming into view is Disney's Boardwalk Inn and Disney's Boardwalk Villas. From elegant dining and magical lounges to lively entertainment just off the shores of Crescent Lake, this charming seaside resort relives the golden era of Atlantic beach towns and turn-of-the-century amusement parks.
Boardwalk is my favorite place. One of my favorite places. Here's construction update for Ratatouille.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are now arriving at Epcot.
The Ratatouille ride's coming here.
Your journey aboard the Disney Skyliner. All passengers must disembark at this station.
It's going to be a huge thing. Look at that. Look how much construction they're doing.
The most magical flight on Earth.
It's going to be a ride, the Ratatouille ride. This could be a separate video, which is the construction update of the ride and everything that's happening. So here we are coming into.
Seated until the doors automatically
This is
open.
Epcot is located on the right, but
Please
here we
supervise
go.
children, collect your belongings, and watch your step. Thank you for flying with us. Por favor, permanezcan sentados hasta que las puertas se abran automáticamente.
This was kinda slow.
Por favor, cuide sus
And we
pertenencias,
stopped.
reúna sus pertenencias y salga con cuidado. Gracias por volar con nosotros.
Welcome, watch your step.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Okay, we finished. Gonna go to Epcot, meet some people. And that's the Skyliner from Hollywood Studios to Epcot. Can't believe I rode it all by myself. It shows you kind of how empty it is today.
Hey everyone, it's Jeremy from geeksandgamers.com, and if you're a fan of Geeks and Gamers, please go to our website, visit our merchandise store. We have t-shirts, hoodies, hats, beanies, tank tops, and in the very near future, we're going to have many more products for you to choose from. So thank you for the support. We appreciate it. You guys have a great day, and we will talk to you later.